In previous videos, we've shown how to add one or more touch devices. In addition, Express also supports remote input-output devices. These include the RIO G4 for additional DMX ports and RIO D4 for additional DALI ports. Let's look at these devices in more detail. Both the RIO D4 and the RIO G4 are Power over Ethernet devices, which should be connected to the same network as the controller using a PoE switch. The RIO G4 has 4 isolated and protected DMX ports that support RDM. The RIO D4 has 4 DALI ports that require power from each DALI bus. Both have a rotary dial, with test mode positions on the left, outputting data on the corresponding port or on all ports, much like the built-in test modes on Express Control. Holding the push button ramps the output level up and down as indicated by the status LEDs. Positions on the right of the dial set an address to help the controller identify the device. We'll use address 1 in this example. Adding a remote device in the software is very straightforward. Simply go to Add, select Devices, and choose the relevant RIO. You'll see the device appear in the Tools menu under Devices, with a name and number. This number needs to match the address set on the RIO's rotary dial. If the addresses match, the device will appear as online, and you can configure the network settings as needed, or reload the device's firmware. There's also a manual overaddressing mode at position M. In this case, the number in the software needs to be above 4, and you can select the RIO to link to manually. This might be needed if you have multiple Express systems on the same network. Note that if a RIO is in a test mode, it will show as offline in the software. Up to 4 RIOs of each type can be added. You can find full system limits in the Express Online Help. After adding a remote device, you'll find additional ports it provides available in the Patch tab. You can now patch your fixtures as needed, or use Discovery to scan for connected fixtures. If you're interested in learning more, take a look at our dedicated RDM and DALI explainer videos.